This video is nothing else than a follow-up on the Walmart Wagyu steaks video we made a few weeks ago. And today we will find out what is the best way to cook these amazing and affordable Wagyu steaks from Walmart. This is the idea. Here we have these 3 Wagyu steaks I got from Walmart at really good prices. We all know it's Wagyu, but we also know it's not the greatest Wagyu out there. And our mission tonight is to find out which way of cooking will make one of these steaks the most delicious. But before we get into that, guys, I want to remind you about the giveaway we have going on right now, and I will have more information about that at the end of the video. I selected all the steaks to be as close as possible to each other. And while I can say they come from the same cut, if you compare the marbling and thickness of all of them, they are pretty similar. Today we are going to use a different cooking technique to cook each of them, and it goes this way. The first technique we will use is one that I'm really familiar with. The first steak is going to be cooked in the Sous Vide machine. Sous Vide is one of the easiest ways to cook steaks to the perfect term and be consistent with it. Even though I know Sous Vide is not perfect, it is one of my favorite ways of cooking meat because of its convenience and practicality. To season this steak, I will be adding some salt and pepper, and after placing it in the bag, I will add some aromatic and herbs like rosemary, thyme, and garlic. Remember one of the tricks that I teach you in a few videos ago? Do not take too much air out of the bag so you can allow those oils to move freely around the meat. If you want to learn all my tricks about Sous Vide, check the card popping up in the right top corner, or in the description of the video if you want to check it out later. And now it is time to let it cook for about 1.5 hours at 130 degrees. That is the convenience and practicality I was talking about before. And while I have you here, I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and to whack that like button if you're enjoying this video. And now for the final touch, all we have to do is to take it out of the bag and pat it dry with a paper towel. And then to the torch we go. The second steak is going to be cooked on the grill, as that's one of my favorite ways of cooking any steak. As many of you already know, I'm a big proponent of the grill method. I love the ritual of starting the fire, choosing my meat, mixing the spices, and watch and wait until the meat is just right. Of course, grilling has some limitations too. For example, you cannot add spices or herbs while the meat is cooking, or you risk them to get burnt, and believe me, you don't want those flavors on your meat. But there is something else you can do that is not available in any other cooking way. What the grill allows us to do is to add extra flavors to the meat by just adding wood to the fire. Different woods add different flavors, and some combinations are more appealing than others. That wood will create a good quantity of smoke that will roll over and under your steak, and it will add another layer of flavor to it. And as soon as the internal temperature of the steak gets to 120 degrees, we will be searing it right on top of the fire. But remember, once it's done, let it rest for 10 minutes before cutting into it. The last steak is going to be cooked in the cast iron pan for the perfect crust. For this way of cooking, I will add salt and pepper to the steak and allow it to rest for about 30 minutes with the spices on it. Cooking with the cast iron pan is as easy as any of the other methods we mentioned before, but because it is different, it also adds another level to the cook that none of the other methods can do. Cooking this way will allow you to add herbs and other spices to the hot pan, and while those spices heat up, they will release the oils, and those oils are going to mix with the oils you are cooking your steak with, and that will add more layers of flavors to the steaks. Refined olive oil will go on the pan, and as soon as it's hot, I will add my steak and leave it there, without touching it for 5 minutes. And once you can move your steak without using any force, it is time to flip it. And right when you flip the steak is when the fun starts. As soon as you flip it, add 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 garlic cloves, and some rosemary and thyme to it, and let it cook for 3 minutes, but always basting the butter on top in order to get all those herbs and spices flavors sucked into the meat. Well, Miss Ninja, we have another crazy experiment here that I know you're gonna love, but I have no idea what you're gonna say about this.
Okay, so, ay, papá, se pone la cosa sabrosa.
Miss Ninja, let's start with this thing because we have to test them up. Let me get the pine trees away.
What a beautiful weather, right?
And we have some live music here next door,
next
guys.
door. It's like, yay!
So, okay, guys. This time I have number A,
Okay.
number B, and number C. And we're going to try them all and we'll tell you which is the best, you know?
Let's do it.
Number A, guys, let's go.
Let's go. Extremely tender, flavorful. Love it.
Wow.
I know already what it is, just because the bite in it.
Miss Ninja, you are
But
too much.
spoiled.
You're too much. You're
I'm
spoiled
spoiled.
all the way. All right, Miss Ninja, what do you think about number A? You like it?
Of course, I love it.
Awesome. All right, let's go for number B. We have number B here. Let's go.
do it. Oh wow! Oh wow! Does this thing have bacon? Really?
But I know it tastes
Right?
a little bit of bacon, guys. This thing.
It tastes a little
Wow!
bacon.
This is crazy good, guys.
This is a good one,
Wow.
literally.
Number C.
Number C. But I already have my winner.
Number C is awesome, guys.
Yes, it
The
is.
flavors of the spices are there. There is a lot of flavor in there. But I also have a winner. What's your winner for you, Miss Ninja?
Number B.
Number B is the winner for Miss Ninja.
Yeah.
And number B is the winner for me because number B is delicious, brother.
And sisters.
Oh
Finally,
my
we get
God,
the same letter.
man. Number B is amazing, guys.
Now-
So let me tell you what it is.
Yeah,
Miss
tell
Ninja.
me what happened here.
All of these are Wagyu
I know
ribeyes
that.
from Walmart.
Wally.
The only difference is we are trying to figure it out which is the best way to cook this steak for you guys to do it and it come out perfect.
Okay.
And number A is a sous vide steak.
Okay.
Number B is just on the grill. And number C is on the cast iron pan.
Gotcha.
Guys, there is no way. If you put some wood on that grill, guys, there is no way it's going to get beaten by any other method.
But no, seriously, I mean, did you put bacon in it? On
no,
number B.
no. That's the flavor of the Wagyu.
Oh my
And it's the
God.
flavor of the wood that I put on it. I put pecan wood.
It's amazing.
And
Seriously.
Pecan wood works really
Love
well
it.
for this beef. It's amazing and it gives it that layer of flavor that I was talking to you guys about that is amazing and it's unbelievable. And there is nothing else in this world that can give this meat that kind of flavor.
It's amazing. Unbelievable. Number B.
Number B is the winner for sure, guys.
Oh,
And
yeah.
now, let me talk to you guys about the giveaway that we have going on right now.
Yes.
We have a giveaway where you're going to win a Ninja box, which is a beautiful Black Angus picanha from Argentina and a beautiful sirloin, the full thing. The picanha is 3 pounds, the sirloin is 3.5 pounds.
Wow.
Everything will be shipped to the winner, and all you have
guys.
to do is go to the website, our website, saltytales.tv. The link is down there.
Do it.
Subscribe to the newsletters, and you are in. Not for this one, it's for every month. We're gonna have a giveaway every month, and you can subscribe there. And as soon as you subscribe, you are in for all the giveaways that we're gonna have. Every month is gonna be something different, guys. I don't know what's gonna be next month. I know already, but I'm not gonna tell you.
Okay.
I don't know what's gonna be next month. But
I
you
don't know
guys,
either.
you guys have to get into that because it's gonna be awesome.
One thing, Ninja. I noticed a comment. People are like, but I live in Australia and I live here. Guys,
Subscribe.
in the future will be
Subscribe.
something for you guys.
Subscribe
too.
because
Seriously.
in the future there is gonna be something that is gonna be cheap all over the place. Subscribe.
Woo!
This one is only for the US, but in the future we're gonna
Yeah.
have some, and we want you guys to be there already because you never know, man.
Yeah, you never
and
know.
now let me ask you something, brother. Did we make you hungry? If we made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like.
Lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends
Yes,
and
do
family,
so.
and don't forget to share these videos on your social network because that helps us a lot.
Yes.
And I know you're gonna have a lot of comments. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna have your own way of cooking this beautiful steak. I'm telling you right now, for us, grilling is the best. That's
Yeah.
it, guys. There is no way you can
the best.
overpass the flavors of that wood and the amazing layers of mixed flavors that you have in there. Is crazy.
But nevertheless, A and C, they were really good too.
It's
Nevertheless.
Wagyu. It's Wagyu.
Yes.
If you don't have a way to do it with the grill, if you don't have a park, if you live in an apartment, whatever, go Sous Vide. And if you don't want to deal with that, go with the cast iron pan. But if you really want to eat the best version of the Walmart Wagyu you can get, go with the grill.
Yes.
That's all for today, guys. And remember that I love you.
Mwah. I love you too. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
See ya.
Bye.